The best hitch bike racks for 2024. Rack up the fun. Hey fellow adventurers, welcome back to our channel, the ultimate destination for honest reviews of the best products out there. Today, we've got something special in our hands, the top best hitch bike racks in 2024. And let's start off with the hot seller, the YAKIMA Stage 2 2-inch premium tray hitch bike rack. YAKIMA. To begin with, the build quality of this rack is excellent. The anthracite finish not only appears elegant, but it also has a tough appearance that emphasizes endurance. The solid structure provides you peace of mind that your bikes are in good care. Now, let's talk about versatility. This rack is a great all-arounder, supporting two bikes up to 70 pounds each. The Stage 2 is suitable for electric bikes, mountain bikes, road bikes, and even fat bikes. And in terms of fat bikes, this fat bike attachment allows it to accommodate tires up to 5 inches wide. Its 2-inch hitch receiver compatibility and tool-free locking speed knob make installation a pleasure. You won't need to be an engineering specialist to get this thing working. It's a simple and secure process that allows you to spend more time driving and less time fiddling with equipment. Now, what sets the Stage 2 apart is its attention to detail. The tiered adjustable trays not only keep your bikes apart, but they also give a little more ground clearance. And the strong arm hook secures your precious bikes at the wheels, ensuring no scratches on painted surfaces or carbon frames. It's these thoughtful features that make a real difference. Allen Sports Deluxe ZN522Q. Next, we're taking a close look at the Allen Sports Deluxe locking quick-release 2-bike carrier, a hitch-mounted solution designed for convenience and security. Let's see if it lives up to its promises. First impressions always matter, and the Allen Sports Deluxe makes a solid one. The build is robust, and the sleek design is sure to catch your eye. But let's dive into the details that matter. One of the standout features is the locking hitch insert. This carrier is like Fort Knox for your bikes. It fits both 1 1/4 inch and 2-inch receiver hitches, providing versatility for a wide range of vehicles. The quick install hitch is a game changer, securely tightening the rack inside the receiver hitch in no time. And with the included 2 keys, you can lock and leave your bikes with peace of mind. Convenience is key, and the Allen Sports Deluxe gets top marks. The arms easily fold out of the way when not in use, saving you precious space in your driveway or garage. And when you need to access your vehicle's rear, the rack tilts back effortlessly, eliminating the need for any heavy lifting or complicated maneuvers. Kuat Transfer V2. Following that is the Kuat Transfer V2 hitch bike rack. This black beauty not only adds a stylish touch to your setup, but it also provides tamper-resistant hitch security, which is an important feature in a world where preserving our cherished motorcycles is critical. Aside from looks, the Kuat Transfer V2 stands out for its capacity to accommodate up to a 15-inch wheelless bike, making it a versatile partner for a variety of bikes. The rack's flexible character doesn't end there. With the accessory strap, it securely supports wheels ranging from 18 to 29 inches and tires up to 5 inches, responding to different demands of the cycling community. But it's the dedication to security that truly distinguishes this rack. The inclusion of a semi-integrated bicycle cable lock is a sensible touch, offering an extra degree of safety when you need to leave your bikes behind. In a world where convenience and security are synonymous, the Kuat Transfer V2 hitch bike rack stands out as a dependable and stylish option for riders looking for peace of mind without sacrificing style. Kuat Piston Pro X. Next, we have the Kuat Piston Pro X hitch rack in Galaxy Gray, which promises to transform your bike travel experience. Let's get into the specifics and see if this 2-bike rack lives up to the hype. The Galaxy Gray finish immediately gives the Kuat Piston Pro X a modern and eye-catching design, and it's not just about looks. This rack is also all about adaptability and adapting to a wide range of biking requirements. It works well with anything from mountain and road bikes to gravel and fat bikes. The compatibility extends to hitch receivers as well, accepting both 1.25 and 2 inches, making it a versatile option for various vehicle configurations. The Piston Pro X's versatility to multiple wheel sizes, ranging from 18 to 29 inches, ensures that whether you're riding on a zippy road bike or conquering off-road terrain with a mountain bike, this rack has you covered. Finally, let's talk about security. Kuat understands how important it is to keep your motorcycle safe, and the Piston Pro X doesn't disappoint. With a stainless steel hitch lock and semi-integrated 12mm cable lock provided, you can be confident that your bikes will not only be carried, but also protected from unwanted attention. It's a clever feature that gives your bicycle travel a boost of confidence. Kicks. Next, I'd like to introduce the Kicks 2-inch hitch-mounted e-bike rack, a heavy-duty marvel that will change the way you move your beloved electric steeds. It's a game changer for e-bike fans, easily fitting 2 electric or regular bikes, each with a weight capacity of 90 pounds. The sturdy design, which includes universal wheel holders for tires up to 5 inches wide, offers a safe and steady ride for your bikes. Kicks' unique controller, precisely developed for strength and stability, shields your motorcycles from the hardships of the road, and it does not disappoint. Even inexperienced users may easily assemble the rack owing to user-friendly assembly videos and the provided hardware. While the fixed wrench with a lever concept ensures that your e-bike remains firmly in position no matter what the road conditions are. A quick-release tilt lever provides convenient access to your vehicle's back baggage without having to unload your bikes. And when the adventure is over, the small folding form allows for easy storage while preserving a low-profile appearance. Kicks has expertly combined heavy-duty performance with user-friendly features, making this e-bike rack a must-have for consumers looking for unrivaled ease, protection, and style on their electric travels. MEEVIZ. Finally, meet the MEEVIZ Hitch Bike Rack, a tough and dependable companion for your bicycling journeys. This rack, made of high-quality alloy steel, is not only sturdy and stable, but also rust and corrosion resistant, assuring a long service life. The outstanding 180-pound capacity easily holds 2 bikes weighing up to 90 pounds each, making it a solid choice for normal, fat tire, and electric bikes equally. Plus, this MEEVIZ is versatile in that it fits most SUVs, vehicles, vans, and trucks, while also being compatible with a broad selection of bike and e-bike types. This rack can support 17 to 29-inch wheels, a 63-inch wheelbase, and tires up to 5.5 inches. And it comes with safety straps, a security hitch locking pin, and other required gear for a worry-free travel. When installed behind an RV, a cautionary sign warns against exceeding a 150-pound capacity. Thanks to the fast hitch pin, which allows for easy removal or connection, the user-friendly design makes installation a snap. On top of that, the MEEVIZ emphasizes your bike's safety with PVC cushioned J-hooks and a hitch tightener to avoid swaying and scratches on your vehicle's paintwork. So if you're looking for a bike rack that combines strength, versatility, and user-friendliness, the MEEVIZ Hitch Bike Rack is an excellent choice for all your bicycling adventures. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through some of the best bike racks on the market. If you found our reviews helpful, or if you have any thoughts on these products, let us know in the comments below.